E4. Now this one I will play E5. I'll play E5 here. Did I get cash from Norway? I don't think I did. No, they usually take a long time to pay out, so it is what it is. Okay, let's go knight c6. Standard Spanish here. Knight c3. Let's go knight f6. This is the 4 knights. Bishop b5. Okay, now which line do I want to play? Because there are multiple options here, but they're not all very straightforward. I think I'm gonna go bishop c5. So if you take, there's queen d4. What do you think? What do you think of RFK Jr.? I think his father was a much better person. Let's play bishop b6 here. I could have taken the pawn, but I'm not going to do that. So, knight d5. Now, again, I'm trying to make this educational, so I'm going to go d6 rather than winning with like knight takes e4. Yeah, Doc never gave me a bottle of that whiskey. He said he would, but he never did. So, it is what it is. I missed a free pawn, of course. I'm well aware of that. I'm gonna castle here. I can always take this pawn. Are you learning Spanish now that you live in Florida? I've always known Spanish. Not known it, but like I've always had a pretty good basis in Spanish from when I was growing up, even. Yeah. Now I take the free pawn. My center is very compact. All the pawns are holding each other. Hangs another pawn, and now this is gonna be a GG very, very soon. So. Okay, now he loses the bishop, and now it's just over. Go do your chores? What chores? What do you mean? Butter chicken, by the way, is great. Spanish from Spain or Latin America? Traditional Spanish from Spain. Now, I mean, at this point, with just an extra horse on the board, I'm just happy to trade everything off. Do I live in Spain without the S? Do I live in pain? No. No, I don't. Who is RFK? He was a famous attorney general. Famous attorney general who ran for president, and his son is a cheap wannabe. Let's leave it at that. Okay, now here, I'm just going to develop my bishop, maybe bishop d5, maybe queen h4 next move. Very, very good position. At this point, all I want to do is trade a piece. Now, knight b3 wins the game. I guess I'll just play it anyway and just take the rook. Which GCL team do you think is the strongest? I don't know, but Magnus Carlsen will be playing tomorrow, and I will, of course, be covering it. So, I will be doing that. Yeah. I thought on the Titanic submarine stuff. I mean, I think it's crazy the billionaire would do that. Honestly, I'm just gonna go queen g5 idea bishop h3 to win the game. At this point, it's already basically over, but just trying to figure out what it is. He's playing at 6 a.m. Oh no, are you guys serious? Wait, let me check. Oh shoot, let me see. Oh no. 6 a.m. SG Alpine versus Balin. Oh no. I'm gonna go here. Thank you for ruining his mood, Master Official. Oh man. Shoot. Let's go here, hit the queen. I might just cover that tomorrow. I guess I could. It's gonna be, there are 4 matches. Like I'm trying to figure out if I cover it all. Magnus is playing twice. I mean, I could cover all 4 matches. Just do it. Yeah, it's different for the World Chess Channel. This can't be worth it. I'll think about it. I don't know yet. I get the lolly, by the way. Here's a classic lolly checkmate. Okay, we have the checkmate. Let's keep going.